Hello. From now on, I would like to introduce SangAh Management Consulting's BIM-based 4D solution ez-4D WebGL. ez-4D is the next generation 4D solution based on the link between plan schedule and BIM. The 4D simulation expressed in the BIM model provides users with an opportunity for more efficient project management. The main features of ez-4D are as follows. ez-4D is a high-quality 3D graphic, and 4D simulation is possible. ez-4D is being used in various projects such as architecture, civil engineering, and plant. First, let's check what functions are applied through the arch bridge construction project. In ez-4D, users can save viewpoints and move directly to the viewpoint. In ez-4D, the plan schedule is displayed on the screen as a Gantt chart, and the 3D model connected to the activity can be checked simultaneously with the cost. ez-4D provides various functions to compare plan schedule and actual schedule at the same time. Through the color comparison function that displays the difference between plan and actual in color on the 3D model, you can check the progress. Through the photo overlay function, which allows you to compare the current photo and 4D at the same time, you can check the difference in performance compared to the plan more realistically. The outline process function allows you to check the part currently under construction as an outline, and the activities currently in progress are displayed in real time on the left. By setting the period, the user can understand the process in ez-4D for a specific period. The next project is a project monitoring system developed based on ez-4D. This is a road construction project that includes the TBM method of underfloor tunnel construction. Let's check out how ez-4D was utilized from now on. As can be seen from the project summary, tunnel excavation using the TBM method is the core of this project. ez-4D was used for project management monitoring solution of tunnel excavation under the Han River. The location and construction progress of TBM machine as of the current date are displayed through the expression of cross-sectional views of invisible stratum information. It is possible to monitor the underground tunnel construction. ez-4D can be used for 360-degree camera application. Photos taken on site are displayed in ez-4D based on GPS information. Like AR, you can check ez-4D at the same time as the photo, and you can check the differences by comparing the photos taken at the same location by date. Since ez-4D can connect directly to web camera, there is no need for a separate web camera monitoring system. If AI is developed by applying OpenCV and machine learning to the connected real-time web camera, the utilization in the field will be higher. The screen you see now is an AI-applied prototype that automatically counts the number of trucks entering and exiting the construction site using a real-time web camera. ez-4D can monitor project personnel status and real-time location information through connection with field-installed IoT hardware and sensors. ez-4D is a BIM-based 4D simulation system and is conducting the following R&D for automatic schedule creation and 4D simulation using property information. First of all, you can check that the BIM model is classified by part, material, and work type based on property information. When automatic process creation is executed, node diagram is created for each work type. If the user sets the connection relationship of each type of node diagram, plan schedule, and 4D simulation are created simultaneously, based on BIM. Since the automatically created 4D simulation can be modified while checking, you can establish a smart process plan. Detailed process plan can be checked with Gantt chart and line of balance schedule display is also supported, allowing you to understand the entire project schedule at a glance. Thank you.